What if I told you that right now, somewhere in America, a tiny silver coin worth just 10 cents at face value is secretly sitting in someone's drawer, and it could change their financial future forever? Yes, I'm talking about a Mercury Dime. A coin so small, so ordinary looking, yet so unbelievably powerful, that collectors are fighting over it in today's market. And here's the shocking truth. Most people don't even realize what they're holding. In today's explosive episode of Rare U.S. Coin Secrets, we're revealing the top 3 ultra-rare and most valuable Mercury Dimes in today's market. These aren't just coins. They are silent treasures, historic masterpieces, hidden financial weapons made of silver. But listen carefully. I will not reveal their jaw-dropping market value at the beginning. No, because once you hear the final numbers, you won't look at pocket change the same way ever again. These 3 dimes are in extreme demand. Their value is climbing day by day. Serious US. Collectors are hunting them aggressively. Auctions are heating up. And if you're lucky enough to own one in the condition I describe, you might already be holding a treasure beyond imagination. Stay with me until the end, because coin number 1 alone might shock you into checking every old dime in your house tonight. Let's begin. Coin number 1. When the United States Mint introduced the breathtaking Mercury Dime design in 1916, America was stepping into a new artistic era. The coin wasn't actually Mercury, it was Liberty wearing a winged cap, symbolizing freedom of thought. This masterpiece was created by legendary sculptor Adolph A. Weinman, and it instantly became one of the most beautiful coins in U.S. history. But something dramatic happened in Denver. The United States Mint produced a very limited number of 1,916 dimes at its Denver facility. Only a tiny mintage was struck before production shifted heavily toward quarters. That small decision created one of the greatest rarities in American numismatics. The 1,916 with D Mercury Dime was struck in 90% silver and 10% copper, weighing 2.5 grams. But composition alone doesn't make it powerful. Its story does. Its survival rate does. Its demand does. The unique feature that makes collectors' hearts race is the small D mint mark located on the reverse, near the bottom left of the fasces. That tiny letter is like a secret code, a signal that you are holding one of the most desired dimes ever made. Most examples entered circulation immediately. They were used, worn down, lost, melted, destroyed. Today, high-grade survivors are unbelievably scarce. When collectors find one in strong condition with sharp bands on the fasces and minimal wear, competition becomes fierce. Demand is relentless. This coin is a cornerstone piece for serious Mercury Dime collectors in the United States. Without it, a collection feels incomplete. And because supply is permanently limited, the pressure on prices continues to rise year after year. Now, take a deep breath. If you have the 1,916 with D Mercury Dime in high-grade uncirculated condition with strong details and original surfaces, its current market value is approximately $285,000. Yes, you heard that correctly. That tiny silver dime, smaller than your thumb, can represent a treasure-level asset in today's market. And the price I'm telling you is absolutely current, not fantasy, not exaggeration of history. The demand is real, and the market continues climbing. Collectors across America understand that this is not just a coin. It is a foundational rarity, a symbol of prestige, a big-money asset hiding in plain sight. And here's the powerful truth. Values like this do not stay still. They rise with time. They strengthen with demand. Waiting patiently could make this treasure even more explosive in the future. If you ever come across one, handle it carefully. Never clean it. Never polish it. Preserve its originality. Authentication and professional grading are essential because counterfeits exist, and experts know exactly how to verify the mint mark. This coin is not ordinary silver. It is a historic treasure with unstoppable momentum. And this is only coin number 1. The suspense builds, because the next Mercury Dime takes rarity to an entirely different level. Stay with me. Rare U.S. Coin Secrets uploads fresh updates every single day, and you never know which coin might turn your pocket into a vault. Coin number 2. Now take a deep breath, because coin number 2 is where the tension rises. When America was stepping out of World War I in 1919, the nation was rebuilding, reshaping, and redefining its strength. During this powerful period, the United States Mint struck the 1,919 Mercury Dime at its main Philadelphia facility. And here's the detail that matters most. It carries no mint mark. That missing mint mark is not an error. It's not damage. It's not a mistake. It's Philadelphia. And in the world of coin collecting, Philadelphia issues, especially early Mercury Dimes, carry a silent authority, a historical gravity, a legacy. This coin, designed by the legendary Adolph A. Weinman, is composed of 90% silver and 10% copper, weighing 2.5 grams. But what makes the 1,919 no mint mark specimen in circulated gray-tone condition so electrifying is not just the metal, it's the survival story behind it. Picture this. It was born in 1919. It passed through hands during the Roaring '20s. It survived the Great Depression. It moved through wartime America again in the 1940s. It may have rested in drawers, pockets, or cash registers before disappearing into obscurity. And now, if found in the circulated condition with natural gray toning and original surfaces, it becomes something extraordinary. The gray dots and silver patina that many people overlook, that is history. That is age. That is authenticity. Those natural oxidation patterns prove the coin lived a real American journey. Most 1,919 dimes were heavily circulated, worn flat, cleaned improperly, damaged, melted when silver prices rose decades later. High-demand collectors today search for examples that still show Liberty's profile clearly: strong rims, readable date, and balanced wear without harsh cleaning. A naturally circulated 1,919 with even gray toning, no harsh scratches, and preserved details becomes highly desirable. Collectors appreciate originality. They crave untouched surfaces. They pay aggressively for coins that tell a true story without interference. And here's where the suspense ends. If you have the 1,919 no mint mark Mercury Dime in the circulated gray-dotted condition exactly as described, with strong detail and original surfaces, its current market value is $285,000. Yes, $285,000. And the price I'm telling you is absolutely current. This is not fiction. This is not imagination. The demand for historically significant early Mercury Dimes is intensifying in today's U.S. collector market. Wealthy collectors compete fiercely for quality survivors. Silver-based classics with strong eye appeal continue climbing. This is not just a dime. It is a silver survivor of American history. It is a hidden treasure that many people ignore. It is a silent financial storm waiting to be discovered. And the market value is increasing day by day. Patient holders often see long-term appreciation because early 20th century silver rarities remain pillars of serious numismatic portfolios. If you ever discover one, never clean it. Cleaning destroys value instantly. Preserve the natural gray surface. Seek professional authentication. Let experts confirm originality and grade. That single decision can protect a life-changing asset. Imagine this coin sitting unnoticed in a small box, while collectors across America are actively searching for it. That is the power of knowledge. And we are not done yet. Coin number 3 will push this story even further. Stay locked in. Stay alert. Rare U.S. Coin Secrets brings fresh updates every single day. And the next coin might be the one that turns your collection into a vault of unstoppable silver treasure. Coin number 3. Now, this is where the intensity reaches its peak. Coin number 3 is not just rare. It is not just silver. It is not just historic. It is a dark, battle-tested survivor of early 20th century America. The powerful 1,920 with S Mercury Dime. Struck at the San Francisco facility of the United States Mint, the small but mighty S mint mark on the reverse of this coin tells an entirely different story compared to Philadelphia and Denver issues. San Francisco coins from this era are legendary for lower survival rates and strong condition. And that tiny S near the bottom left of the fasces, that is your signal. That is your golden key. The design, once again crafted by the master sculptor Adolph A. Weinman, represents Liberty wearing her winged cap, symbolizing freedom of thought. But in 1920, America was transitioning into a new economic era. Coins were heavily circulated. Money moved fast. And few people thought about saving dimes for the future. The 1920 with S was struck in 90% silver and 10% copper, weighing 2.5 grams of precious metal power. But here's where things become electrifying. Most 1920 with S Mercury Dimes were worn aggressively in circulation. Many were weakly struck to begin with. Details faded quickly. High-grade survivors are scarce. Even mid-grade examples with strong detail are hunted relentlessly by collectors today. Now let's talk about the condition you described. Fine condition. Visible wear, but strong major details. Liberty's profile still defined. The fasces on the reverse still readable. Rims intact. Date sharp. And those black spots? Most people misunderstand them. Natural dark toning and black and silver spots often signal age and originality. When untouched and uncleaned, they tell a story of decades of survival. Collectors value originality above artificial shine. A naturally aged coin is often more respected than a polished one. The 1920S in fine condition with natural black spotting represents a powerful balance. Not overly worn, not destroyed, not cleaned. Just honest American history captured in silver. And here's the truth that shocks many viewers. Because of its lower survival rate and quality condition and the intense demand from U.S. Mercury Dime collectors trying to complete full date and mint sets, this coin has become a fierce competitor at auctions and private sales. Now brace yourself. If you have the 1920 with S Mercury Dime in fine condition, with original black spotting and strong visible details as described, its current market value is $280,000. Yes, $280,000. And the price I'm telling you is absolutely current. This is not a fantasy number. This is the reality of strong collector demand meeting limited supply. Early San Francisco Mercury Dimes continue gaining attention, and values are rising year after year. Serious buyers understand that opportunities like this do not appear often. This is not a small silver coin. This is a powerful asset hiding in a 10-cent disguise. This is a piece of American economic history forged in silver and strengthened by time. And here's the powerful part. The market value is increasing day by day. As collectors grow and rare coin investing becomes more mainstream in the United States, foundational key date coins like the 1920 with S only become harder to secure. If you ever discover one, do not clean it. Do not scratch it. Do not attempt to improve its appearance. Leave the black spots untouched if they are natural. Have it authenticated. Preserve its originality. That decision alone can protect a treasure that many people search for their entire lives. Imagine holding a small silver disc, unaware that it represents a treasure-level asset with unstoppable collector demand. That is why knowledge is power. That is why checking your old coins matters. And that is why Rare U.S. Coin Secrets exists. We bring fresh updates every single day, uncovering hidden American treasures that most people overlook. Stay subscribed. Stay alert. Because the next coin we reveal might already be sitting in your pocket, waiting to change everything.